Hi, welcome back to this third and final part of how to install, configure and customize Contact Form 7. In this last part, I'm going to show you how to configure the mail that I sent to you as a webmaster from whoever fills in the contact form, and then I'm also going to show you how to write a professional auto response. So again, when somebody fills in the contact form on your site, you will get an email saying that somebody's sent you a message, and they will also get a professional email from you saying that you've received a message and you will get back to them. And that professional email looks like this. This is the professional email that we're going to do, and they're going to get this. I think it's really, really professional. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to fill in the mail to. Okay, so this mail to is what we get from when somebody fills in. Okay, so you need to put your email address of where you want the email to be sent to. Okay, then the from field is their name and their email, and what I put in the subject line is a question from the site. So this is what you'll get when somebody sends you a question. Okay, this is just to let us know what the email is about. And then in the message body, it's pretty much the same. It's their name, their email, and we're going to take out the subject body because we're going to replace that with something else. So, and that's it for this part. There is nothing more needs to be customized, because we don't really need to customize this part of the mail form because it's only getting sent to us. Okay, so the second part of the professional email is the mail to. Now this is the one that we are going to customize. So if you click on the use mail to, and then we get another form field pop up. Okay, so this second one is going to be to your email, and it's going to be from support. It's going to be from your site, so it's going to be from support. So whatever, if your name is Dean or whatever your name is, or whatever your company name is, you put it in there, and then you put in the address. So it's from them, so it's to your email, their email, from us. Okay, we're going to take out the subject because we're going to replace it with this little subject line here. This subject line is what they're going to get as an auto response. Okay, so this is what they're going to get. They're going to get the logo, we've received your email. So that's what they're going to get. Okay, now the next step that we're going to do is to add our professional logo and our professional email. Now this is like a little we'll just delete that. Now I've already created the letter template, okay, and I've done that within WordPress myself. So what I've done is created a page called Sandbox where I customize the email, okay, and I privately publish it. Okay, so this is what the email looks like. Now I've just installed, and I've just added a logo and then added some of this email. Okay, but if we take a look at the HTML part, this is the HTML part that we want. Okay, that will be installed on our contact form. So all we need to do, okay, is to copy this, and we have our very own custom code that we don't need to do. Okay, and all we need to do then is to move it over to our contact form and add it into the message body. Okay, now there are a few final parts that we need to go go over, we need to put some paragraph tags in to, like, you know, we've got the paragraph tags for each of these questions. Now we need to add these paragraph tags, okay, to separate each of the paragraph lines. Okay, so we're going to add it to Dear Your Name, we're going to add it to this paragraph, we're going to add it to Your Message, we're going to add it to that, we're going to add it to Sincerely, and then we're going to add it to this one, and then we're going to add it to that one. Okay, the next part that we're going to we have to close these small HTML tags now. Okay, so we'll copy that one, and we'll do the same again, but this time we'll put the closing tag in it. So we'll add it to the message. We add it to the Sincerely. We'll add it to that one. And we'll add it to that one. Okay, and the last thing that we need to do is to tick Use HTML Content Type. Okay, now the last thing that we need to do is go back up to the top and click Save. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to go over to our site in the contact form, and we need to test it. Okay, so if I'm going to fill, I'm just going to fill it in. Subject, we're not going to put any subject, I'm just going to put test email. Okay, and we'll fill in the captcha code, and we're going to ask the question. Now, as you can see, the validation errors have occurred, and that's because I wanted to show you that's because of the captcha code is working, and that we have to input it properly. So we've got YSC. Okay. Oh, hang on. I'm always getting in trouble with these. Let's have another go then. Let's have another go. Hey, here we go. It says now a message was sent successfully. Thanks. So all we need to do now is to go over to our email and have a look. Okay. Now, as you can see now, this is the email that we have received, or that the person that's received, the person that filled in the contact form, the email that they've received. So let's have a look at it. If we display the images, as you can see, it's exactly this. It's the same. How cool is that? Eh? Okay, and that is how you install, configure and customize Contact Form 7. This has been Dean from WordPressUnwrapped.com. You can find more tips and tricks like this at www.wordpressunwrapped.com.